Dear students, I am Rajendra Jatana. I have come up with अब पलटू राम आ गया पकड़ में सारी गेम बदल देगा। कौन है ये पलटू राम? ये है वेक्टर अलजेब्रा एंड 3D। ये आपकी सारी गेम बदल सकता है। आई एम स्पेशली टेलिंग दी +2 स्टूडेंट्स because this is almost of 17 marks and you can easily achieve this by using these Panturam formulas which I'll be taking up. Thank you. Good morning friends. I am Rajendra Jatana on this site. I have come with the chapter which I am calling Palturam. आ गया है पलटू राम, सारी गेम बदल देगा। Look here, we are now continuing this series with vector or cross product. Now, here is the definition. Let A and B be two non-zero or non-parallel vectors. Vector product A cross B in that order is defined as a vector whose magnitude is AB sin theta, where theta is the angle between A and B and whose direction is perpendicular to the plane of A and B in such a way that A and B and this direction constitute a right-handed system. Look here. Here is the right-hand thumb rule. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. Now, this is vector A, this is vector B, and this is vector n cap. This is perpendicular. O n is perpendicular. This vector n cap is perpendicular on A and B. Look here. This z-axis is perpendicular on x-axis and y-axis. So, it is in this direction. Supposing आप एक स्क्रू कस रहे हैं ऊपर की तरफ, तो you will be using your right hand thumb rule. So you will be going in the anti direction and this thing will go up. The screw will go up when you are tightening it in the anti-clockwise direction. So the cross product becomes A cross B is equal to AB sin theta n cap. Now there is a mnemonic I have prepared for this. Cross product CP, product of the scalars A and B, they are scalars. Magnitude है, magnitude क्या होता है? Scalars होते हैं. Sin theta is again a scalar. Its value is between -1 and 1. N cap is the direction of the vector which we will get from A cross B. A cross B is a vector. कौन सी direction होगी उसकी? N cap. It will follow the right hand thumb rule. Now, cross product is CP. PS is product of the scalars. Sin theta is the angle between A and B has been used, and in the case of dot product it was cos theta. In this case it is sin theta. In this case the result is a vector In the previous case, when we were dealing with the dot product, the result was a scalar. Now, remember the mnemonic like this: CP, Commissioner of Police; PS, police station. Commissioner of Police goes to police station, meets the sinner, theta, wearing n cap, wearing n cap. उस कैप पे एन लिखा हुआ है. मामला बहुत खतरनाक है. ही इज सिनर. Commissioner of Police goes to station, meets the sinner, theta, sin theta, wearing n cap. This vector is wearing n cap. So it is in this direction. So you have to remember it like this. Cross product, that is CP, Commissioner of Police. Product of the scalars, sinner, sin theta becomes sinner, and n cap, wearing n cap. This sinner is wearing n cap. So this is vector A, this is vector B. So A cross B is equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B, sin theta, and the direction is this, n cap. A cross B की डायरेक्शन ये वाली होती है. So I hope you have understood the definition of this vector or cross product. Cross product is a vector and direction is n cap. Direction is n cap. Cross product की direction कौन सी है? n cap. Now let us go further. I have made it simpler. Look here. Vector product in terms of components. Now, let A be having three components: A1, A2, A3. Vector B has three components: B1, B2, B3. So, then A cross B is equal to determinant. अरे determinant का क्वेश्चन आ गया. So you have to write here I, J, K. इसके जो कंपोनेंट्स हैं A के, सेकेंड लाइन, A1, A2, A3. B2 के कंपोनेंट्स, थर्ड लाइन, B1, B2, B3. So इसकी क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करेंगे. क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट मीन्स डिटर्मिनेंट. याद रखिएगा, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट मीन्स डिटर्मिनेंट. निमोनिक, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर मीन्स determinant of 3 by 3 order. So if you remember this way, then the things will become easier for you. Now let us go further. Properties of the cross product. As we discuss the properties of the dot product, similarly we are now discussing the properties of the cross product. Property number 1, P1. A cross B is a vector. A dot B क्या था? Scalar product. See, it was a scalar. Now it is a vector. Result is a vector. A cross B will be 0. Means A and B are parallel. How they are parallel? A cross B is AB sin theta n cap. When it is equal to 0, it means either theta should be 0 or pi. It means when theta is 0 or pi, they are parallel or collinear. When theta is pi by 2, look here, A cross B will become AB sin pi by 2 multiplied with n cap. AB n cap. Now, I cross J, look here, make a circle like this, write here I, J and K. When you have a cross product of I and J, this is cross, I cross J. I cross J is scalar component of this magnitude of I, magnitude of J, sine pi by 2, and I and J are 90 degree, and into n कैप की जगह k कैप आ जाएगा. So I cross J is equal to I J sin 90 pi by 2 into k कैप. So देखिए I का मैग्नीट्यूड 1 है, J का मैग्नीट्यूड 1, sin 90 1, k. So I cross J is equal to k. I cross J is equal to k. नेक्स्ट वाला आ जाता है I cross J is k, J cross k is I, and k cross I is J. So this is how they have been written. Now let us go to again, let us find the angle. So A cross B is AB sin theta n cap. Take the modulus magnitude or modulus of both sides. So it will become, this is A is already a modulus of A, magnitude of A, this is B, they are in the modulus shape, sin theta n cap remains here. A भी नीचे चला गया है. अब sin theta का मैग्नीट्यूड sin theta ही होता है, n का मैग्नीट्यूड 1 होता है. So this is sin theta into 1, that is sin theta. So from here we have found sin theta. In the case of dot product we found cos theta. In this case we have found sin theta. Next property is A cross B is equal to AB sin theta n cap. This is A, this is B, angle is theta, and this is n cap. So A cross B का डायरेक्शन ये वाला होता है. A cross B का डायरेक्शन कौन सा है? n cap. So this is, now B cross A क्या होगा? B cross A will be B A sin theta. अब n कैप ऊपर की जगह नीचे की साइड चला जाएगा, सो नीचे की साइड चला जाएगा, तो माइनस का हो जाएगा. डायरेक्शन रिवर्स हो गया है, सो इट बिकम्स नेगेटिव. प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 7, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी, एरिया ऑफ triangle is half into base into height. Area of triangle can be written as half, base is BC here, this is the triangle ABC, and height is AD, perpendicular is AD. So AD over AB will be sin theta. So it becomes half, BC is your B, this is vector B, AD becomes A sin theta, this over this sin theta, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So just substitute their values. BC की जगह पे B लगा दीजिए, AD की जगह A sin theta, it becomes half AB sin theta, half A cross B sin theta. Look here, A cross B, you know AB sin theta n cap था, और उसका मॉडुलस लेते हैं, it becomes A cross B. So this is half A cross B. Area of triangle is half A cross B. Area of parallelogram क्या होगा? It is double the area of triangle. So this 2 and 1 by 2, they are cancelled. It becomes AB sin theta. अगर मैग्नीट्यूड लेते हैं, n कैप का मैग्नीट्यूड 1 बन जाता है. तो ये क्या है? A cross B is a determinant. I J के फर्स्ट रो, फर्स्ट लाइन, फर्स्ट वेक्टर के कंपोनेंट्स, सेकंड वेक्टर के कंपोनेंट्स. This is how you have to find the area of parallelogram and area of triangle. Most of the questions are based on these last two properties. I hope you might have understood. अब ये पलटू राम आ गया है आपकी गेम पलटने के लिए, तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है इस चैप्टर पे, और बहुत आसान बना दिया गया है. बहुत सारे निमोनिक्स यूज़ किए गए हैं. आप इसको देखते रहिए, कंप्लीटली देखिए, ताकि आपको पूरा समझ में आ जाए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मार्क्स आपके आएँ. I wish that you should come with flying colors in your final exams. Thank you very much for viewing the videos. I'll request you to please share this among your friends so that they also are benefited, and keep on watching the next videos which I will be starting with 3T. Thank you very much. God bless you. Good day. Bye.